Hi guys, how to manage your Singapore tax issue Singapore tax nito. So from Google AdSense, no, click nyo lang yung yung setting ninyo, no, papunta doon sa payment, and then ito na lalabas, no, uh, manage tax info. Okay? So ano po yung info? So add tax info. So expect before you start, expect 5 to 10 minutes, no? And then yan, may mga dokumento kan. So start form tayo. Okay, dito sa business type, basta kan, i-kuha na natin, select natin individual. So, okay, then do you have permanent established in Singapore? Since wala tayong i-kuha doon, so no. And then next is, are you registered Singapore Goods and Tax GST? Then under the overseas, no. Wala din tayo dyan. Unique iniquity number. Ano ba to? Ano ba to nga iniquity? For example, business. Kung meron tayong business, ano? Then, are you eligible for tax exemption? No. And then, are you eligible for tax lower rates? Lower tax rate? No. And then, no lahat ang answer, guys, no? Yan, no. Kasi wala naman tayong establishment sa Singapore. So, wala din tayong kondon. So, submit na natin. Your tax information has been submitted. Okay, na-submit na guys. And then, your tax had been accepted. Accepted na guys, as submitted May 1, 2024. And then, expire on never expire, no? So, okay, so ayan na po yung kon natin. Eligible for tax treaty, no. Eligible for no, no, no. Ayan. So, yan na po. Na-update na po ang ating Singapore tax. Ganyan lang po ang uh, mag-answer no dito sa Singapore na tax info, no. Okay? So, hope na nakuha ninyo, no? Okay, so thank you so much for sa if you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Kuya Bud. As always, i-click yung notification para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga videos, no? Okay, thank you so much, and good morning. God bless y'all. Bye bye.